Hello, children. Welcome back to English class. In today's class, we will learn make sentences. I will teach you all how to make sentences of the given words. So, are you all ready? Very good. So, let's start. Here, the first word is school. Now, you have to make sentence of school. So, you all can write I go to school every day. I go to school every day. Next is ball. B A double L ball. Now you have to make sentence with ball. So you all can write I play with the ball. So you all can make sentence that I play with the ball. Next is house. You have to make sentence with house. You can make sentence my house is very beautiful. My house is very beautiful. Next is mango. We will make sentence with mango. You can write I like to eat mango. I like to eat mango. Next is hot. We can make sentence the milk is hot. The milk is hot. Next, friend. We can make sentence with friend. So we all can write like Rohit is my friend. Rohit is my friend. Next is water. We can make sentence we should save water. We should save water. Next word is clever. So you can make sentence like Ria is a clever girl. Ria is a clever girl. Next, under. So we can make sentence like the cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. Next is bus. So we can make sentence. I go to the school by bus. Next is healthy. So we can write we should eat healthy food. We should eat healthy food. Now we will read it once. First is school. I go to school every day. Ball. I play with the ball. House. My house is very beautiful. Mango. I like to eat mango. Hot. The milk is hot. And Rohit is my friend. Water. We should save water. Clever. Ria is a clever girl. Under. The cat is under the chair. Bus. I go to the school by bus. Healthy. We should eat healthy food. So, this is all about today's class, children. In today's class, we learned how to write make sentences. If you like my video, then please like and please subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next class with another video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.